How to get white teeth with black pepper naturally. Many people are worried about due to the extra layer of paleness and dirt on their teeth. It looks so weird and spoils the overall personality. Due to this problem, many people hide their smile. To overcome this problem, people purchase teeth whiteners and different kinds of toothpaste from the market, but all go to vain. Today, I have an amazing remedy to make natural teeth shiner to get white teeth. So, read the steps carefully and follow the remedy. Easy homemade treatment to get white teeth. To make the teeth shiner, you guys need just 3 ingredients that are readily available in your kitchens. These ingredients are following, and the procedure is also here to make the natural teeth whitener at home. Ingredients: black pepper, crushed, 1 tsp. Baking soda, 1 tsp. Talcum powder, 1 tsp. Procedure: first of all, take a clean bowl. In the next step, take ground black pepper, add in the blender to crush it well. After that, add 1 tsp of black pepper powder and add it to the bowl. Also, store the remaining black pepper powder for cooking purpose. Later, take 1 tsp of baking soda and add it to the mixture of the bowl. In the next step, take 1 tsp of talcum powder and add it to the mixture. Then, grab a stirrer and mix all the ingredients well to combine all the powders. In the final step, the natural powder is ready to shine the teeth. How to use: firstly, make the teeth whitener according to the above procedure. Then, rub it on your teeth once before taking breakfast and once before sleeping. Use this teeth whitener on your teeth for 1 week and get teeth like a pearl. You should try this amazing natural teeth whitener to get white teeth. I have an amazing remedy to make natural teeth shiner to get white teeth. So, read the steps carefully and follow the remedy.